So hi guys, welcome again to my get ready with me video. So ma-prepare ta guys kay ma-dinner ta and ma-night out ta for tonight. So come with me. So first is pambutang kita sa aton nga BLK Sheer Sunscreen Primer Stick. Before ta mag-do sa atong makeup, you make sure na dapat even sa gabi dapat you use your sunscreen. So while waiting para mag-set din ang ato yung primer, so we will just gonna dry my hair na lang. Pamana ko ng buhok. So done with my hair na. Mala na siya guys, so let's do the makeup. So guys, I'm using this foundation, Maybelline Fit Me 220 ang shade, matte plus poreless. Next is the eyebrow. Next is the blush on. I have blush on from BLK Cosmetics and it's the shade of Toffee. So next guys, mabutan ito sa ato niya contact lens. So makeup is done. So we need to set ato makeup. So we have here the Dazzle Me. Okay. Set. So all good na ta sa makeup. So ma-iron na lang ko sa ako yung buhok. Okay, hair is done. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video and have a great weekend everyone. God bless. Salamat kaayo. Bye!